These ones are super fire. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. These are fire. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. They're the Puma Thunder ones. The Puma Thunder, I forgot the last part of it. You've seen these on my channel before. Those are fire as well. I like that colorway. I think the blue colorway was a little bit better. And then they got the white ones. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Super, super fire. All three of those are dope. Puma's doing their thing, man. I'm trying to tell you guys. Puma's definitely stepping their game up. Suede slides. You got the 3M crazy color slide right there. This is Puma. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Video, of course, you see right again. It's not even, I don't even say it, bro. You know where we're at. We're at the beach once again. About to bring you guys another dope sneaker review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you do, smash the like button. Share the video so more people in the world can see it. And just check out the scenery around me. Not too many people here as always. It's always kind of mellow. Not too many people out here ever. What are you guys doing today? Hopefully you're enjoying your day. Smash the like button. As I said, these shoes have not came out yet. They don't come out till August 9th. So, you know, if you want them, I'll put them up on the Go app. You know what I'm saying? These are size 12. They're not my size, so I'm for sure selling them. But I could have got my size, but I don't want them for myself. So I got them because I know they have a resale value. Yes, I did it because they have a resale value. I don't care. Plus, I wanted to bring it to you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let me know if you guys will cop these. Like I said, they do drop on August 9th. Without further ado, let's go get it. You dig? Looking real crazy out here. Hopefully having a great day where you are in the universe, wherever you are in the universe. We just out here, bro, trying to enjoy this water that's about to get me right now. I got socks on, I can't get them wet. It's dope though, man. Hopefully you're having a great day. Let's go ahead and talk about these things right here. No. You see the bird trying to get up on my shit? These birds be landing by people's stuff trying to steal shit, bro. Hell no. He probably tried to see that. He saw that and thought that was cool. Get the hell away from me, boy. Take your ass somewhere else, boy. It's a whole family of them over there. I don't like that. Don't like that at all, bro. But, like I said, let's go ahead and get into what's in this bag right here. Some fire heat right there. Let's go ahead and talk about it. All right, you guys see the box. You already know what we're talking about by the title. We're going to talk about what's inside this bad boy right here. Windy, kind of windy today. Not as windy as normal. But let me go ahead and get these out right so my paper's not flying all over the place. There it is. Super dope. Puma Thunder Desert triple black colorway. What do you guys think about this in the comment section? Very dope shoe. Great materials, man. They look a lot like the Rave Runners, the Yeezy Rave Runners. But these are dope, man. Puma Thunder. Puma's definitely coming with what they need. They've been stepping that game up. See that leather material on there? Very, very dope. Of course, we're gonna get the up close and personal views on these shoes, right? As always, as I always say. But I don't know, man. What do you guys think about this shoe? Triple black, no colors of anything else. Blacked out, blacked out. I like that, bro. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. I don't know what else to say about this besides this fire. It would see me better because the sun is behind it, so I'm assuming this is gonna be the best look. Unfortunately, I want the water to be in the back, but I guess not. So I don't fully know what to say about the shoe, man. It's triple black. There's no other colorways on it, but the materials is very, very dope. A1 if you ask me. They got really plush leather. They got really nice suede on the shoe. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. If this is something that you guys will pick up or not. I think so, bro. For a dad shoe or for what Puma's doing with the dad shoe theme, it's dope. It's the closest thing to a Rave Runner, if that matters to you or not. But these are dope. I like the leather on here, the suede. I haven't seen too many things wrong with this shoe, man. It's a little bulky, but that's the theme of the shoe. And based on that, there's nothing wrong with it. Let me know what you guys don't like about it, what you do like about it. Once again, these do come out August 9th, so that's like about 2 weeks from now, something like that. So it gives yourself a chance to make or break you if you want to go ahead and go after them. They're a little more than the regular ones. The Puma Thunder Spectras, those for $120 retail. These are actually $130 retail, so just like a $10 bonus, $10 bump up. Not too big. But let me know your thoughts and opinions. These are size 12, so I will not be doing it on feet. Plus, we're here at the beach, man. I don't want to get them too messed up because these are not my shoes. I'm going to go ahead and sell them on GOAT. So if you want them, go ahead and check out the GOAT app or my eBay channel, you dig? So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get to the close-up pictures of these, and then I'm out. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Make sure you watch the videos, let these ads run. I appreciate it. And you know I've been slacking on certain things. I think, but I'm back to it. So just go ahead and stay with your boy, subscribe, let's get it. Ooh, my arm is killing me. Now you guys know me, right? I do this thing right here. So I gotta make sure things are good. But if you guys can see on the inside of the shoe, there is a defect on the shoe. So I have to take it back. However, I don't have the receipt on me. So I'm gonna go back there and see what happens, see what they say. But yeah, bro, there's no, you guys see that? Can y'all see that, or am I tripping? See that right there? I hope they have another shoe, another 12, because that's crazy. You can't get down with that. You can't get down with that. If I try to move this thing on GOAT, they're gonna get it and see that, and that's gonna be a blemish. So I can't rock with it. I got them early, but they're not supposed to be early and defected. You feel me? People are gonna think they're not real. I don't know, man. Is that a big deal to you guys or a small deal? Can you guys see it at this angle right here? I think you guys can. It's wild. I don't know. What's going on here? What's that about? That water looks nice though, don't it? Did some of the shoes. Hopefully you guys liked them. The Puma Thunder Desert. Had to do it by the desert type sand, right? It's fitting. Came out here to the beach once again. I will try and bring you guys as many beach reviews as possible. As much as I can get here to do it, I'm going to do that because you guys seem to like it. I enjoyed. If you like this video, smash the like button. Share the video, of course, so more people in the universe can see it. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the post notification bell so you can be updated on every single video that your boy Bossco drops. You dig? Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.